I got the trunk back on. I got the doors. It was windy, so all that fell apart. They closed nice and easy. Got the hood back on. So it's slowly starting to take shape. It's starting to look like a car. On to install the rest of the suspension, the LCAs and all that. So stay tuned. So this is all the stuff I'm gonna be installing today. I got my fully rebuilt front suspension with these spindles, ball joints. I got my K2 front control arm, compliance arm, K2 compliance bushing, brand new, what do you call these? End links. These are blocks end links, K2 front camera kit. Let's get to it. So I got the front LCA with the compliance all installed, with the G Development hardware. Everything's taking shape down here. I do got to rethread one of the compliance bolts, so before I put everything, the spindles back on, I'm gonna wait till I get that and then torque everything back. It's starting to take shape. I really like how that looks. Never had brand new stuff on the car before, so can't wait to drive this and see how it feels compared to my old one with all the worn out bushings and everything. So even got the energy bushings right there. So I got my retap already in there. It's a M14 by 1.5. You know, I didn't want to just full send it with an impact, so trying to do everything the right way. So let's get it going. And just like that, that was nice and smooth. No reason to cross thread or anything like that. So I always like to take my time and, you know, make sure everything is done right, you know, because this can cause issues later down the road, you know. So on to the rest of the suspension, putting this back up in the spindles. So let's get to it. Alright, I got everything all installed. It's pretty simple, basic, straightforward. I'm still debating on what kind of coilovers I want to run. I'm not sure if I want to run the K2 K1s. I already had Function Informs Type 2 for about 3 years. Comment down below, let me know what you guys would want to see. I also installed these little clips to hold in the cable, getting the grommets back. Put this part on the hood. It's slowly coming together. Oh, and the self-tap, this is what I used. A taper style. So there it is, M14 by 1.5. So if you guys are curious about that. So, I love these bolts. Alright, and that's it for today's video. The self-tap actually took about a week to get here, so that held me back a little bit, but
I'm not in a rush to you know, finish the car super fast. I want to build it the right way, and you know, to my standards at least, you know, because I will be the one driving it. So appreciate everyone that comes in, and hopefully I can keep up recording more stuff for you guys. I got to start doing saving up for the paint, brake lines, a lot more stuff, you know, all the stuff you don't really think about that just adds up. So till then, deuce.